In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Wix ads forever. Stepping into the world of creating a website is exciting, but having third-party ads on your site can be less appealing, especially if you're aiming for a professional look. Fortunately, removing those ads is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it. First, navigate to the Wix website editor. This is where all the magic of designing and perfecting your website happens. Once you're in the editor, you'll notice several options in the top menu. Keep an eye out for the Upgrade button. It's usually conveniently placed for easy access. This is your gateway to a variety of premium plans that Wix offers. Click on it to explore further. After clicking Upgrade, you'll be presented with the option to Upgrade Now. Select this option to bring up a range of Wix's premium plans. Each of these plans is designed to cater to different needs, so take a moment to consider your primary goals for the website. If you're running an online store, a plan with features tailored for e-commerce might be more appropriate. Alternatively, if it's a personal blog, a standard plan might suffice. It's all about matching the plan to your needs. Once you've decided on a plan, click on the Select button. This will prepare you to choose your preferred billing cycle. Wix offers several options here, including monthly and annual subscriptions. Choosing an annual plan can often save you money in the long run, but consider your budget and commitment level before making a decision. This step is crucial as it affects your overall costs and convenience, so choose wisely. After settling on a billing cycle, proceed by clicking Continue to Checkout. At this point, you'll reach the payment stage where you'll need to provide your payment details. Ensure you have your payment method ready, whether it be a credit card or another form of digital payment. This is an important step to secure your chosen plan and keep the process smooth and hassle-free. Finally, click on Continue to Payment. This confirms your details and moves you a step closer to a website free of Wix ads. Completing your purchase finalizes the upgrade, and soon you'll see your website without those pesky ads, taking your online presence to the next level. And there you have it. With these steps, your Wix site will have a clean, professional look without the intrusion of third-party ads. This upgrade not only enhances the user experience, but also reflects well on you as the creator. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in taking your website to the next level.